again, I'm gonna introduce ourselves. Back home, shoot! We are G22! Hello everyone! Ako po si Jazz!
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Althea.
And what's up, Acer fam? I'm AJ! Acer Day 2025! Make some noise! Mascot in your box! Acer Day! Make some noise! Another year for us. We are truly, truly grateful. Another year of being limitless. Papapapalaban! And breaking more and more limits.
Yes, we would like to thank you, Acer, so much for giving us a platform to perform here, and also welcome sa mga bagong kasama namin sa pamilya ng Acer, ang PDG fan.
Grabe. Can't believe na this is our second year with Acer. And palaki ng palaki yung pamilya namin. And I can't believe na sa first ever stage namin with Acer, talagang si Acer talaga ang nagsisimbolong ilaw natin during our darkest moment. So salamat ulit Acer, maraming salamat, mahal namin kayo. And syempre, sa susunod namin awit. Sa susunod namin kanta, we wanna dedicate this of course to Acer. And Acer fam, for being there during our darkest moments, for being there, believing in us sa journey namin.
Actually, kung wala si Acer, hindi namin alam kung saan namin makukuha yung confidence na magpatuloy. Kasi isa sila yung sa unang support ko sa amin, kahit na anong nangyari sa amin dati.
Acer gave us a platform. All of us, they gave us a platform. So maraming salamat, Acer. Being in line with our advocacy and also inspiring us. We really appreciate you. Kaya
Kayo ang aming musika.